Good morning, guys, and welcome back to a cold Florida day. Woo, freezing. The other day I was doing something under the hood, something with the wiring, and was also chilly day. Next thing I know, I walk away from the car and my hood slammed down. So that means my leaf support or struts, whatever you want to call it, are getting weak. So I ordered a new one. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna install those bad boys today. I found out the OEM hood support for a GX is around $104 a piece. That means that's like $208 plus tax plus all that crap. A set over $200 for a hood strut. That's just ridiculous. So I went with I don't even know the brand, something from the Amazon for $42. You gotta love this one head opening. Oh, never fun. Alright, we got paper. Alright, so let's see. I want to know what the brand is. It says support, gas charged, lift support, 2-piece hood lift. It's Prado 150. You guys know Prado 150 is a Land Cruiser. Pretty much a Toyota Land Cruiser version of Lexus GX. I'm still kind of finding it. I guess this is the name of the company. Top support. If I remember correctly from my GS400, changing these hood struts, you gotta take this little metal retainer, like pop it out, and then you'll be able to slide this from the little ball looking thing. Same thing on the bottom, if my memory serves me correctly. Well, it was a long time ago. So basically you have to take this little retainer clip, push it up. See how I kind of bust the whole thing, try to figure this one out, and then put it on the bowl. And then push the metal piece down, and that should hold. There you go. So same we did on the other side. Pop the old one. Up. And that's it for today, guys. Let's test those struts. Whoa, God, it's cold. Aha, look at that thing go. Perfect. Alright guys, thank you for spending time with me. Thank you for watching, and please be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.